In this video, we'll be answering kitchen hood questions, and these questions will go across all types, whether it's Joint Commission, Standard, or DNV. We're going to start off with our kitchen hood system. When you see at the bottom here, it says kitchen hood system, and there's a 0 of 47. That means there's 47 questions in that little bubble you see there. We're going to select that bubble, put our finger on the bubble. It's going to bring up our questions. It's going to ask us the type of fuel service. We can answer that. Is it gas, electric, propane? We'll go with the electric and gas. What's the fuel shutoff type? We can say it's a solenoid gas valve, right? We can go, is fuel shut off in the on position? We'll say yes. Size of fuel service. We're going to say 1 inch on this particular one. How many 363-degree fusible links are there? We'll say 3 in this particular one. How many 450? We're going to say NA. There's no 450. How many 500s? NA. How many other types? We're going to select not applicable down there, NA. What does the number of links change during this service? We're going to say 3 because we had 3 of them. Let's save. We're going to record the hood size. What is the hood size? We're going to say it's 36 inches by 36 inches, right? Or we can say 3 foot by 3 foot. Whatever your hood size is, let's save there. And the plenum size, we'll say the plenum size is 9 feet 11 inches. Let's see, 9 feet 11 inches. Okay, save that. Record the filter type. The filter type we'll say here is a slide-in filter. Okay, save that. The filter size, we'll say the filter size is 16 inch by 3 inch. So we'll go 16 inch by 3 inch. Select save. The size of duct 1, we'll say it's 12 inch by 18 inch. This is all free text, so you can put whatever you want in there, whatever the size is. Save. And let's say there is no duct 2. Well, we'll say that there's a duct 2. It's a 2 feet by 2.5 feet. So we'll say duct 2 is 2 feet by 2.5 feet, right? Okay, save that. As far as duct 3 and 4, we're going to go, we'll select not applicable, not applicable. And it's because all the rest of these questions are all appliances properly protected with correct nozzles. We'll say yes. Duct and plenum protected with correct nozzles, yes. All nozzles properly aimed at hazard obstruction, yes. Proper separation, we'll say yes. Blow-off caps installed, replace if needed, yes. Hood and duct penetration sealed, we'll say yes. Cartridge weight, replace if needed, yes. Test detection system from terminal detector, yes. Replace fusible links every 6 months, yes. We'll go the date of the links. We'll see the date of the links is, we'll say 2020 because we just replaced them. Okay. Test remote manual pull station, yes. Test mechanical gas shutoff valve. Maybe there isn't one. We'll say NA. Test electric solenoid gas shutoff valve with reset relay, yes. Electric switch for proper operation. Clean nozzles. We'll just go all these questions. UL listed, meets UL standards, piping and rigid secure, tamper seals installed, building fire alarm connected, yes or no, so we'll say yes. Activation line vacuum test performed every 6 months. We can put NA on that if we didn't do it. Distribution piping network glass purged with dry or nitrogen. We can say yes. Exhaust fan, makeup fan, air filters reinstalled. Were the personnel instructed in the manual operation of the system? Is there a K-class extinguisher placard present? System returned to normal. Hydrostatic test date. Let's put the hydrostatic test date was 2017 for now. Okay. Service and certification tag on system, yes. Now we'll select the top left menu, which is the back arrow. And there you see 47 of 47 questions have been answered. Let's go to our kitchen hood cylinder. And it says 0 of 6. We'll select 0 of 6. The type of agent. What type of agent? We're going to go K-class. What agent? The extinguisher size. We'll say it's a 4-gallon. Data last 12-year hydro. We'll say it was 2017. The tank pressure. Don't know what that might be. I'm just going to put 20 in there because I don't know what that is. The cartridge weight. Just put a cartridge weight in there of 50 pounds. I don't know if that's true or not. Save that. And the water flow test PSI. If you don't have that, don't answer the question. If you do, we'll put in 42 PSI. Okay, save that. Let's go to the top left menu, go back. Now we'll go to the kitchen hood appliance. We've got 2 questions there. 0 of 2, we're going to select that. Is the appliance properly protected with the correct nozzle? Select an option. Pass. Record the number of nozzles on this appliance. We're going to say 1 because there's only 1 on this appliance. We're going to go top left menu and go back. Now, we've got all our questions answered. The one last thing we have to do is we have to go into the pass or fail. Now, if you have many systems, you could go into the top right menu, which is the 3 vertical dots. Select that. You can go bulk actions. You can select pass, and you can select all, and you can hit apply. Are you sure you wanted to pass these 3 devices? We're going to confirm, and there it is. We've confirmed that we passed those 3 devices. Let's go to the passed bucket now, and there's our passed bucket. If you wanted to fail something at this point, you could go into just to the white space next to where it says 2 of 2 or 6 of 6, and that white space there, anywhere in there, put your finger there. It brings you up to either undo that answer or fail it. Let's say we hit fail on that. We hit fail, we'll say it's a functional failure, did not operate. So that may not be an actual thing. We're going to select apply, and now you'll see that goes over to our failed bucket. Select our failed bucket, and there it is. And we can select on the failed 3 seconds to go that little icon, and we can either add a photo, we can fail the description, or any of that. We're going to go top left menu now to go back, and there's our inspection. There's our 1 failed device, 2 passed devices, and now all we have left to do is close the inspection. We're going to go to the top left menu, the 3 lines, go into the report, and we can either preview that report to take a look at it. Scroll down, there's our report. At the very top, you can see we had a failed item, the main kitchen oven. And we put down, as far as this was, as a functional failure, and it did not operate. And there's the rest of our inspection. And at this point, we can close the inspection if we want by going to the back arrow and go to close inspection, generate report, and close the inspection, and follow the close inspection procedures that we have on every other type of system. And that's it for this video.